GRAL stock analysis and GRAL stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Just watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to say is that with GRAL stock, I was on point. It was absolutely amazing. Let me show you the proof of this. Oh, my bad. If you can't tell, it was made 20 hours ago, only got 9 views, which is so sad because now a lot of people are watching GRAL stock. And I get it, you know, it's like almost $1 billion market cap stock. There's just not a lot of eyeballs, but look at me calling it out live, like on my YouTube channel. At the time it was the 22.62. And that's post-market. Boom. Post-market, we already seen the price kind of gapping up. But then we open here, you know, boom, that's what happened. One thing that I want to say is that more likely than not, we're going to keep making new highs, but I'm just not going to force anything. If you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And yeah, since we're like sitting here, I would more so be looking for retracements and then trying to long instead of just forcing longs. More so I want this to stabilize or just keep breaking through some new highs, you know. We will see.